When critical operations are on the line, temperature control is more than convenience. It's about keeping operations running smoothly. Every facility faces unique challenges. Pharmaceutical production, food and beverage plants, chemical processing facilities, hospitals, shipyards, and power plants all require tailored solutions to keep processes and operations running smoothly. And when downtime isn't an option, you need more than equipment. You need a partner who understands your system. That's where Sunbelt Rentals comes in. From emergency outages and seasonal fluctuations to system commissioning and planned maintenance, we've got you covered. Our fleet includes air-cooled and water-cooled chillers, air handling units, dehumidifiers, DX units, cooling towers and boilers, all engineered for scale and ready to integrate directly into your system. But it's not just the equipment. Our equipment application specialists visit your site to understand your system requirements and your operational challenges. We design customized solutions tailored to your specific application, whether that's process cooling, environmental conditioning, or maintaining precise humidity levels for production and manufacturing requirements. We collaborate with your electrical and mechanical teams to deliver one-line drawings and site-specific plans, ensuring your system is appropriately sized and compliant. With hands-on installation and 24/7 support, advanced telematics, and remote monitoring, you stay in control, no matter the conditions. We've helped customers across industries maintain productivity, protect critical environments, and minimize downtime. And we're ready to do the same for you. We're more than equipment rental. We're an extension of your team, bringing expertise and service you can count on. That's the power of Sunbelt Rentals.